clear. Lows in the upper 40s. South winds around 5 miles an hour. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. This afternoon and tonight. Strong to severe thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and evening across north and central Texas. Large hail. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north-central Texas, southwestern Hunt County in north-central Texas, northwestern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, eastern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wilmer, or near Hutchins, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Garland, Mesquite, Richardson, Rowlett, Wiley, Rockwall, Lancaster, Bulk Springs, Satch City, Carroll, Seagoville, Forney, Hutchins, Roy City, Heath, Fett, Sunnyvale, Wilmer and Crandall. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 471 and 500. Interstate 30 between mile markers 52 and 78. Interstate 45 between mile markers 267 and 277. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.